Here we've got a new Mercedes CLE, which is basically a convertible E-Class. So we've done the IMMO Immobiliser, 3-tag Faraday bag, get your emergency override, we'll give you spare battery and screwdriver as well for the tag, our contact details, everything you'll need. So this vehicle will not start, so if I try and start the vehicle now, nothing at all, won't go to ready, comes up vehicle cannot start. So that's the Immobiliser in action. So ignition back on. Once you're ready, you can enter your PIN using steering wheel buttons and buttons around the dashboard. Your installer will show you exactly what's going on. So if you watch the heated seat lights there, if I enter the customer's demo code, you get a flash there. Put my foot on the brake, hit the start button, vehicle now starts and goes to ready. Switch the vehicle off. It doesn't arm till we exit the vehicle, so I can start again now, no problem. But as soon as you open the door, if you watch the heated seat lights, double flash, we're now protected. If I try and start it again, nothing at all. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call, Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 90.